Hello and welcome to this recipe for sfenj, a delicious fried donut-like dessert from Morocco. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, vegetable oil for frying, sugar for dusting. Now, let's get started with the instructions. In a small bowl, dissolve the yeast in warm water. In a large bowl, mix the flour and salt. Add the water and yeast mixture, and stir vigorously using your hand or a spoon until a smooth dough is formed. The dough should be sticky and unsuitable for kneading or shaping. Cover the bowl with a cloth and allow the dough to rise for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled or tripled in size. Heat at least an inch of vegetable oil in a wide pot until hot. Fill a bowl with water and set it aside. You should have 3 bowls ready, one with the dough, one with water, and the third with sugar. Cover a large plate with a towel or paper towels. Dip your hand in the water and pull off a piece of dough, roughly the size of a plum. Make a hole in the dough with your fingers and stretch it into a ring. Place it in the oil. Repeat the process with the remaining dough, taking care not to overcrowd the pan. Depending on their size, you may only be able to fry 2 to 3 sfenj at a time. Fry them until golden brown, flipping them a few times to ensure both sides are well cooked. Once cooked, remove them from the oil and place them on the towel-lined plate to drain. Once the extra oil has been absorbed, roll them in the sugar mixture before they cool down. Place the sugar-coated sfenj on a clean plate and serve warm. Enjoy! That's it for this recipe. We hope you enjoy making and eating these delicious sfenj.